Guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm avoiding some reflection. Okay, let me go away with them for some minutes. Zitarudi. In the meantime, let's do this intro. Let's assume that we're starting over again. Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to do some cleanup. I want to do a cleaning video for you guys, and this is it. Actually, it's uploaded, right? Okay, so I want to do some cleanup. Yeah, so my house is in a mess. Terrible mess. Having a toddler is a lot of work. Books everywhere, colors everywhere. Hey, I wish you guys could see my walls. That's why actually I've not been doing cleaning videos. My walls have been drawn. Yeah. Anyway, sorry for another day. Guys, this is what I mean by saying that colors have brought me trouble in this house. Just look. And it is not coming off. So when we came to this house, we never painted it. We just left it the way it was. So the problem with this paint is that it is not, when you clean these colors, it is not coming off. I have tried everything. It is not coming off. So the solution is to paint again. And we're going to use the silk paint, the paint that does not smell and the one that you can easily clean. I washed my throw pillows. Want to put them back. So, and wish you knew where I put this ring light. Cleaning videos are tough, guys. So like the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay? Yeah. So it's easier to do cooking videos than cleaning videos. If you see someone doing a cleaning video, please like that video for whoever, because hey, this is a sport. Cleaning is a sport while filming. First thing I always do, guys, is pick everything and put it on the table, unless it's that, yeah, so that I can now pick things to go to the bedroom, things for the kitchen. So recently, guys, I purchased this vacuum cleaner. It's the Oraimo vacuum cleaner. The unboxing and reveal coming soon. I wanted to use it and know it so that I can give an honest review. I've had it for like a month now. I can vacuum the seats, especially these recliners have a tendency of hiding that. Yeah, so I think an honest review will come up. Let me just vacuum.
Mommy.
So,
Mommy.
I want to go deep into the seats. Video, baby.
Mommy,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. highways, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We'll go.
Hey guys, I'm done with the cleaning. I want to spray my curtains. This Glade Fresh smells amazing, really nice. It's written can be sprayed on the fabric.